Alright, now today I appreciate the Almighty God. We don't grant us the privilege. See me for join those people. We go be a witness of another beautiful weekend. Of course, this one a weekend edition of TinTinNi Tori with Baba Future. And today now the 20th day of July 2024. Me now don't forget say now for here we go they give you the highlight and the summary of news and stories of matter we don't share from Monday go reach Friday even till this very morning. Informate plenty, informate boku. Of course, if you don't ready myself, I don't ready, but my name never change you. My name now Guyemi Akimbusayo. If you don't ready myself, I don't ready. Carry water, the one we cold. Put them for your side. We will do this one again. First informate for this weekend edition of TinTinNi Tori with Baba Future. Now in the talk say federal government no dey superior constitutionally to state government. We go do wetin dey right for your state and the people. Now when they talk this one, na Governor Seyi Makinde of Oyo State don chook mouth for the Supreme Court judgment wey give local government financial autonomy for the country. Governor Makinde say wetin him hear from the Supreme Court judgment be say the problem of the country no be money but na how to take share am wey dey contrary to the hunger and hardship wey Nigerians dey face. Quick one, another TinTinNi Tori wey dey for here na im talk say Kumuyi debunk relocation rumour. May we hear the full tori. The General Superintendent of Deeper Life Bible Church, Pastor Williams Kumuyi, don debunk circulating rumour about him alleged relocation go United Kingdom. For one message wey dey posted on top the Facebook page of Cross River State Deeper Life, the cleric described the relocation rumour as misleading. Alright, another informate wey dey for here na in the talk say Federal High Court for Abuja don nullify the impeachment of Philip Shuaibu as the Deputy Governor of Edo State. Justice James Omotosho of the Federal High Court for Abuja don cancel the impeachment of Philip Shuaibu as the Deputy Governor of Edo State. He order make them return Shuaibu to office and make them pay am all him salary and allowances. Another one wey dey for here na in the talk say Tinubu don approve 70,000 naira minimum wage with promise to review am every 3 years. After different meetings by organized labour union and government, President Bola Tinubu don approve 70,000 naira as the new minimum wage for workers. Before now, organized labour union bin insist on 250,000 naira, but dem don agree with the 70,000 naira the president approve. Alright, the last informate wey dey for here na in the talk say why we accept 70,000 naira minimum wage. NLC. The president of the Nigerian Labour Congress, Joe Ajaero, for Thursday bin give reason why the organized labour accept the proposal of 70,000 naira minimum wage from the president Bola Tinubu. Ajaero wey talk to State House reporters after the meeting with the president yarn say the union agree to the offer because of other incentives wey dey attached. Him talk say another reason wey make dem accept the offer na because the president bin promise say dem go dey review am every 3 years as against wetin dey obtained for the past. Alright, now with that Tori, me I go dey say my bye-byes on top TinTinNi Tori with Baba Future, the weekend edition. Until next time when we go dey bring you another weekend edition, my name never change. My name na Guyemi Akimbusayo. If you enjoy this one, may you no change you die. Until next weekend, una bye bye you.